Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Culinary Adventures. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and colorful world of Indian street food, a cuisine that is as diverse as it is delicious. We're going to explore a recipe that's very close to my heart: Paneer Kathi Rolls. Imagine soft, flavorful paneer marinated to perfection, combined with crunchy, fresh vegetables and drizzled with tangy, mouth-watering sauces. All of these delightful ingredients are wrapped in a warm, freshly made flatbread, creating a perfect harmony of textures and flavors. Get ready for a flavor explosion that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. This recipe is perfect for beginners, so don't worry if you're new to cooking. It's simple, straightforward, and incredibly rewarding. I'll guide you through each step, from marinating the paneer to assembling the rolls, ensuring you get it just right. Trust me, once you try these Paneer Kathi Rolls, you'll be making them on repeat. They are perfect for family dinners, gatherings with friends, or even a quick snack. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started on this culinary journey and bring the flavors of Indian street food right into your kitchen. Grab your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's cook up some magic together. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. This is the most crucial step to ensure a smooth cooking process. You'll find most of these in your pantry. For the paneer marinade, we need a few key ingredients that will infuse our paneer with rich flavors. First, we have paneer, 200 grams cubed. Make sure the cubes are evenly sized for consistent cooking. Next, we need yogurt, half a cup, whisked until smooth. This will act as the base for our marinade. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for that aromatic kick. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, will give our marinade a vibrant color and a bit of heat. Turmeric powder, half a teaspoon for its earthy flavor and beautiful yellow hue. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon, to add depth and complexity. And finally, salt to taste, to bring all the flavors together. Now, let's move on to the filling. For the filling, we need bell peppers, 1 large, sliced into thin strips. Onions, 1 large, also sliced. These will add a sweet and savory crunch. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté the vegetables until they are tender but still crisp. For the assembly, we need rotis, 6 to 8, depending on how many rolls you want to make. Green chutney to taste for a fresh herby flavor, and sweet tamarind chutney to taste for a tangy and sweet contrast. These chutneys will elevate the overall taste of our dish. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's get cooking. The key to a delicious Kathi roll is well-marinated paneer. The marination process infuses the paneer with a burst of flavors, making every bite a delightful experience. In a bowl, combine the whisked yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and salt. These ingredients form the base of our marinade, each contributing its unique taste and aroma. Add the cubed paneer and gently mix until each piece is coated with the marinade. Ensure that the paneer is evenly covered, as this will help in absorbing the flavors uniformly. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial as it allows the paneer to soak up the spices and yogurt, making it tender and flavorful. This allows the paneer to soak up all the wonderful flavors. The longer the paneer marinates, the more intense the flavors will be. Pro tip: for a richer flavor, marinate the paneer overnight. This extended marination time ensures that the paneer is deeply infused with the spices, making it even more delicious and aromatic. So if you have the time, let the paneer rest overnight in the fridge for the best results. Once the marination is complete, take the paneer out of the fridge and let it come to room temperature before cooking. This step helps in even cooking and ensures that the paneer remains soft and succulent. Now, your marinated paneer is ready to be cooked. Whether you grill it, sauté it, or bake it, the well-marinated paneer will add a burst of flavor to your Kathi roll, making it an unforgettable dish. Now let's get cooking. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and bell peppers. Sauté for 5 to 7 minutes until they are slightly softened but still retain a bit of crunch. Add the marinated paneer to the pan. Cook for another 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the paneer is lightly golden brown and the marinade has thickened. Pro tip: avoid overcooking the paneer, as it can become tough. Section 5. The Grand Assembly Rolling Your Kathi Roll. The most exciting part? Warm the rotis on a hot plate or directly over a flame for a few seconds on each side. This will make them soft and pliable. Place a roti on a flat surface. Spread a layer of green chutney, followed by a generous helping of the cooked paneer and vegetable mixture. Add a dollop of sweet tamarind chutney for that sweet and tangy kick. Section 6. Flavor burst. The perfect bite awaits. Now, for the grand finale. Fold the sides of the roti towards the center, overlapping slightly. Then, tightly roll the roti from one end to the other, tucking in the filling as you go. And there you have it, your very own Paneer Kathi Roll, ready to be devoured. Pro tip: serve the Kathi Rolls immediately with extra chutney on the side. Section 7. Health on a plate. Benefits of your Kathi Roll. What's amazing about this dish is that it's not just delicious, it's healthy too. Paneer is a great source of protein and calcium. The veggies add a boost of vitamins and fiber. Yogurt aids digestion, so you can indulge in this flavorful treat without any guilt. Section 8. Join the culinary adventure. Congratulations on creating your own Paneer Kathi Roll masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure as much as I did. Don't forget to share your creations with me on social media. Tag me on your culinary masterpieces. I can't wait to see them. For more exciting recipes and cooking tips, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy cooking!